Hi, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk to you about the sun. Right now, the time is 5:30. 5:30 or 5:30 in the afternoon. Today is Thursday, and the weather today is good. The sun is shining. So, today I am going to talk about the sun. Our sun. Yes. The sun is our star. Our star. Yes. I am drawing the sun and colouring it in yellow. And I am also going to draw our Earth, our planet. Yes. This is Earth. This is where we live. Okay. So, how big is the sun? This is a circle, and this is the diameter of the circle. So, how big is the diameter of the sun? Very big. Yes. The diameter of the sun is 1.39 million kilometers. 1.39 million kilometers. Huge. And what about the Earth? The Earth has a diameter of about 12,000 kilometers. So the diameter of the sun is about 109 times bigger than the diameter of the Earth. The Earth is big, but the sun is huge. Absolutely massive. Yes. Now, what about the mass of the sun? The sun has a mass of about 2 times 10 to the power of 30 kilograms. 2 times 10 to the 30 kilograms. So 2 with 30 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 zeros. Huge. I have a mass of about 80 kilograms. I weigh 80 kilograms. the Sun has a mass of 2 times 10 to the 30 kilograms. Yes. What about the Earth? The Earth has a mass of 6 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. Also very heavy, yeah. So the mass of the Sun is about 330,000 times more than the mass of the Earth. 330,000 times heavier. Yeah. We know that the Sun is very hot. Yes. But how hot? The core, the center core of the Sun is incredibly hot. It is about 15,700,000 degrees Celsius. 15,700,000 degrees Celsius. Oof. Unbelievably hot. Yes. But what about the surface? The surface. Well, the surface of the Sun is also hot, but much, much less. The surface of the Sun is about 6,000 degrees Celsius. Very hot, but much colder than the center of the Sun, which is 15,700,000 degrees Celsius. Roughly. Luckily, the Earth is very far from the Sun. Yes, the Earth is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers. For comparison, look, this is London and this is New York. London is about 5,500 kilometers from New York. The Earth is 150 million kilometers from the Sun. Very far, yes. And thanks to this distance, the Earth is much colder than the Sun. The Earth is on average about 15 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for us. Perfect. Yes. This is all I am going to say about the Sun, our Sun, for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Great. Thank you again, and goodbye.